Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Discord and sign in on your mobile or desktop app before starting. Go to User Settings and choose Connections to add PlayStation Network. Follow the prompts to sign into your PlayStation Network account securely. Keep your PS5 powered and online during the process to verify the link. You may be asked to confirm a code or allow permissions for voice transfer and friend sync. Wait for Discord to show PlayStation Network as connected in your connections list. Join a voice channel in Discord using your mobile or desktop app to prepare a transfer. Look for the Transfer to PlayStation button near the voice controls and tap it. Choose your PS5 console from the device list and tap Confirm to start the transfer. The voice session moves from your phone or PC to the PS5 within a few seconds. After transfer, use your PS5 controller mic or a connected headset to speak in the channel. Return to Discord later to reclaim the voice session if needed. If the transfer fails, sign out and sign back into both Discord and PlayStation Network before retrying. Verify that your PS5 system software is up to date and that the Discord app is the latest version. Restart your PS5 and your phone or PC if problems persist for a clean connection. Mute PlayStation Party chat to avoid echo or doubled audio when using Discord voice. Use a wired headset or reduce speaker volume if you experience latency or feedback during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.